Welcome back to a crash course on Wordle Hardmode, Class 2, Exploring Traps 1, a case study of SOARS 134 Green. Today we're looking at the S blank AR blank trap, which is a little difficult to navigate. Thanks to uBlue on Reddit for the inspiration. In their case, they use the starting word share, which is a not great starting word because of the Shay trap, S-H-A blank E. But that's not important. For this study, I'm assuming that you use the word SOARS, S-O-A-R-S, because it gives us two letters which eliminate no possible solutions. It gives us a neutral start. Since we're doing a study, referencing the solution list is acceptable. I'll be using the Asylum's Is It a Wordle tool, plus Squirtle's possible word list for this analysis. First, let's take a look at all the answers Squirtle gives us. Of these 44, Is It a Wordle tells us that only 16 of these are possible solutions. But I'm adding in a few extras since the editor could get sneaky on us. We'll use this base of 18 words to analyze our situation. I'm going to sort these by only the letters that matter, so we'll start by chopping off the SAR they all share, so we can get to the meat of the logic problem. Let's duplicate these, and sort them by first letter on the left and my last letter on the right. Immediately I notice that there are a lot of E words. I could use one of these words right away to get rid of all the E possibilities, but I could probably shorten the number of guesses we actually need by guessing a few of these letters first. Let's try to find a word that uses two of the letters attached to the E's. Let's highlight all the words with CHNTP in the second position, and we have HP for sharp. Apparently this is just a really good word for letter disambiguation. So let's choose sharp as our second word and cross off all the words that we're locked into. Okay, this is getting a little messy. Let's clean up the board and we'll count these words later. Okay, that's better. I'm not going to bother lining up everything anymore since the previous 8 slides took me over 2 hours to animate and I'm not doing that again. But I do see a few straggling pairs here. All of them are included in groups on the other side, so we don't really have to consider their straggling letter as a problem. So let's just wipe those off the respective side they're on, and we're going to solve by bunches, and then them being stragglers won't actually end up helping us. So looking at these lists, both sides have M and T as options we need to deal with. So a word like smart feels like a solid third word. It'll clean up our options quite a bit. Let's do that. And we'll clean up the board a little bit now. Okay, let's merge these two boards again and see what we're actually left with. So if we do either scare or snare, we'll be able to clean up the rest of these answers accordingly. So for simplicity, let's just use snare. Okay, let's reset for a moment with what we've decided. Let's divide up the clues according to what color they get with our first word that we've chose, the second word in the entire guess, which is sharp. Shard, share, and shark would be solved in 3, 4, and 5 guesses respectively. Spare and spark are 3 and 4. It doesn't matter what order we choose these, but regardless we have these odds to calculate our averages. In an antagonistic Wordle, we get these groups in 5 and 4 respectively. Oh yeah, and sharp itself is guessed in 2. So next is smart. Let's fill in the numbers. And lastly we chose snare. Numbers. There we go. We managed to resolve this trap completely with the following solve rates. This gives us an average solve is slightly higher than 4. It's 4.2 something. Solid work. So yeah, that's everything. It wasn't too bad for us to be able to work through a little bit ourselves. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a great one. Cheers. See you all next time. Class dismissed.